This secret website I have never mentioned before allows you to find extremely profitable ClickBank offers very quickly. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to promote these ClickBank offers without having any websites, without having any funnels or any experience. And the best part about it is I'm going to show you how to get free traffic to these ClickBank offers. And don't worry guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step, click by click, how to get these offers on ClickBank and how to get thousands of free targeted people to these offers so we can start making money on ClickBank as soon as possible. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom and leave your 9-to-5 job. Guys, I was able to start my affiliate marketing business back in 2019, and within 9 months I created a 6-figure online business, but more importantly I left my 9-to-5 job. Now guys, if you want to learn more on how to do this, how you can get started, please subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into it. Now guys, before I show you how to get started with ClickBank and this new underground website that's going to allow you to find offers, I want to show you real quick that I'm an affiliate of multiple programs. This one right here, ClickFunnels, in the past 30 days, you can see we've done over $6,700. And here's another one here. Here's my PayPal account. This is just 2021. Now PayPal, I basically get affiliate commissions from a ton of different programs. You can see almost 100,000 so far this year. This is my Stripe account here. In the past year, over $623,000 here. And this is GetResponse. This is just another account that I promote, and as you can see here, $1,000 in the last month. Now guys, the only reason I'm showing you this is to prove to you that I do know what I'm talking about. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so step one is we want to go to this secret website called CBSnooper.com. Now this is a free software that is going to allow you to find ClickBank offers, but more importantly, it's going to give you stats on these offers. Okay, so for example, FB Tonic here, Dentinex BioFit supplements, it's going to give you a ton of stats on these offers, whereas if we go to ClickBank, you're not going to find these stats. Okay, so for example, if we click on Dentinex here, it's going to give you, this really important data. Okay, so for example, you can see the gravity in the last month, right? Is it going up? Is it going down? Now, if you've never heard of gravity, this is basically, how many affiliates have actually made sales typically in the past month. Okay, that's typically what gravity means. But what I want to see here is when I'm looking for a ClickBank offer, I want to see if there's some sort of trend going up. We don't want the gravity going down because this means the offer is no longer popular. So I want to see a top offer, but more importantly, I want to see if that offer is gaining traction as far as the gravity goes. Not only obviously the overall rank, but I want to see if the gravity is going up, right, in the last month. Now, the cool thing about this software is I can kind of look at different categories, right? Top 5 ClickBank products, top 5 rising products, and then top 5 falling products, right? So if we look at these ones here, these are probably offers that I probably don't want to promote since they're falling and they're failing, okay? Now, if you go to reports here, you can look at different categories. You can look at new products. You can look at top products, peaking products, okay? And I'm going to show you kind of what to do next, but I mean, if we go to, let's just say, peaking products, we can kind of look at some of the products that are currently trending, right? So Social Plate, Altai Balance, Regime, TR Prof, okay? So these are all the products that are currently peaking, okay? So for example, if we click on this second one here, we can see a huge spike in gravity, okay? This is something I would definitely be looking at because we can see this huge spike, okay? Now, there's another thing that I typically like to look at besides something that's peaking in gravity, right? This is a great product, right? Because we're going to earn $117 per sale. And then obviously we want to know what it offers, right? So it's a killer blood sugar and diabetes offer. So it's a good offer. It's in the health niche. But what I like personally, right? And this is just me as an affiliate, is, obviously we're going to make a decent amount, $117. But what I like to see as an affiliate is I want to have monthly reoccurring revenue, right? Like in the beginning, I showed you, my ClickFunnels account, which is a software. I mean, this is literally money that I'm going to get every single month for the rest of my life, as long as that person continues to pay. So that's what I'm looking for when it comes to these type of offers, is I want something that's going to be monthly reoccurring. So if we go to reports over here at the top, I'm going to go to reoccurring products, okay? Because now I can see products that are not only going up, but also I could get that monthly reoccurring revenue from ClickBank, okay? So that's kind of what I look for when I'm looking for a product. So if I go to reports and reoccurring products, as you can see here, we have the initial sale here, okay? Which is just like when you first get the sale, this is typically what you're gonna make. And then obviously we wanna see the rebill. The rebill is how much you're gonna get every single month when someone goes ahead and buys the product, okay? So I can kind of look at all of these offers here. Now, me personally, I like to go for a higher ticket offer, right? So we can see here, $173, $26. See, that's too low ticket. It's not worth it for me personally. So for me, what I'm gonna look for is something that has a higher ticket and even a higher rebill. So we're making, you know, as much money as humanly possible with these ClickBank offers, okay? So just looking real quick, I like this offer right here, Revita Pro, okay? Now, I've actually never promoted this offer myself, but this is what I would look for if I were gonna promote a ClickBank offer right now, okay? So I'm gonna click this offer here, and I'm gonna see what it is, okay? So first of all, right, is I like the earnings here. 181 initial earning and then $67 monthly reoccurring. Okay, that's really good, guys. Like that's a lot of money. You know, imagine just getting, you know, 10 people to buy this product. This is already, you know, over $1,000 on the front end, and then another like $700 every single month. Okay, so that's what I think about when I'm promoting these offers, right? Now, as we go through this, right, I like this here, but I also want to look at the gravity, and we can see that it is trending up. Now, it's not peaking like the other products we mentioned, but that's because I'm looking at the monthly reoccurring revenue, okay? So it is peaking here, or it is going up in gravity. It does say it's going down, but I think that's since yesterday. And as you can see though, right, like in the last month, the gravity was 131, and now it's like 183. So obviously we know it's going up. That's in the right direction. So I'm gonna go with this product here, and I'll show you the next steps. All right, guys, so now we wanna find our offer link on ClickBank, okay? That's gonna be step number 2. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna go back to ClickBank and find that actual product. So if I go to search here under marketplace, and I copy and paste that, we can actually get our link, okay? So this is really important because this is how we're gonna make money, okay? So if we hit promote here, it's gonna allow us to generate our hop link, okay? So this link here is the link that we need to make money, right? So when people go to this link here and they buy the product, then this is how we make money, okay? So next, okay, so once we have that product, that leads me to step number 3, and that's gonna be the free traffic source I'm about to show you. Now, real quick, before I show you that, guys, what you're gonna wanna look for in the affiliate page here is we wanna look for video material, okay? So if I go to the affiliate page here, I want to see if this page or this JV page gives us material to promote their product. Typically, they will give you video material, but sometimes they don't, and I'm going to show you how to do it just in case they don't, all right? Now, as you can see here, they give you email swipes, they give you information on the product, but if we keep going down, it doesn't look like they give us videos for this particular product, okay? Now, of course, you can go and create a review on this product, but I'm gonna show you a really cool method that is 100% legal and allows you to use someone else's video and upload it to this secret website, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you the secret website in just a second, but let me show you how to find a video, okay? So if we go to YouTube, all right, and type in the product name, so in this case, it's Revita Pro, it's gonna allow us to find the product reviews, okay? Now here's the thing, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use these videos, and we're gonna use them for this secret website that I'm about to show you, okay? Now it's really important that you do this next step, okay? So you wanna go to filters, and you wanna go to Creative Commons, okay? Now I've talked about this on my channel before, but basically, you can go look it up, but basically Creative Commons allows you to reuse these videos as your own, okay? These people have literally let you use these videos for whatever reason it is, but you can literally go and download these videos and you can use them as your own videos. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just copy this first one here, okay? So I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna copy the link, okay? Because what we wanna do here is we wanna use this video and we want to go ahead and download it so we can reuse it to the secret website. Okay, now guys, you're going to want to use a website like y2mate.is. This allows you to copy and paste the YouTube link and download the YouTube video. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and then I'll go ahead and download that video. As you can see, it's very, very simple. You just want to get the link from the Creative Commons video, paste it here, and then go ahead and download the video. Obviously, you want to get the highest quality as you can. And then once you do that, I'll lead you to the next step. All right, guys, so once you download your video, the next step is to go to BitChute.com. Okay, this is gonna be similar to YouTube, but this is gonna allow us to get a ton of free traffic. And I'm gonna show you exactly what to do next. And I think you guys are gonna be really excited about this method. Now, the first thing obviously is you wanna create a BitChute account. That way you can start uploading videos. So make sure to go ahead and create an account. And then once you do that, we can go ahead and start uploading our video. All right, guys, so to upload the video that you got from YouTube, go to the top right over here and hit upload new video. It's gonna take you to this website here. Now, it's really important, guys, that we have a video title, a description, and then obviously you wanna upload the actual video. Now, as far as the video title, we wanna make sure this is really search engine based, okay? So we wanna make sure that people can find what they're looking for. And to do that, what I like to do is I like to go to YouTube here and type in the product name, right, as far as the title, okay? And you can see all these titles here. So I'm gonna go with either the first one here or even the second. And I'm gonna kind of model these titles, okay? So I'm gonna just kind of click on this here. And I'm not gonna copy it exactly, but this is kind of like what you wanna do here. So we can kind of like take a title from, you know, one of the videos, and then also, let's just say we wanna take it from this as well. This is just kind of the easiest way to do it, but of course you can always change up the titles however you want. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. There we go. So now we kind of have a little bit of everything as far as, you know, we have two different types of titles here, but really important is you can see that we have the keyword here throughout this whole title. Now, as far as the description, guys, what I typically like to do, okay, there's a few things you can do here. You can go to the affiliate page. And typically on the affiliate page, it'll kind of tell you what the offer is. And I like to look at the emails, right? Because in the email swipes, it'll tell you everything that you need to know about the product. Also, what you can do is you can actually go to the actual link, right? You can go to your own affiliate link, and it's going to take you to the offer itself, right? So this is the actual offer. Obviously, inside of here, it tells you everything you need to know on the offer, okay? So I can go ahead and literally just copy all this stuff here because this is exactly what the offer is, right? So if I go over here and I can start adding that in the description, okay? So we can go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna add a little bit more. That we have a ton of keywords, a ton of description that we can have in this video, okay? So I'm just gonna literally copy everything here, right? And this is okay to do because the vendor, they want you to sell their product, right? So they're not going to mind if you take the actual SEO and put it in the description of these videos here. Now, guys, obviously inside the description, we need to add our affiliate link, right? This is the way we're going to make money. People are going to see our video on BitChute. They're going to click the video, and you know, we want them to go to the description and click on the affiliate link, okay? So again, you want to go back to your ClickBank offer here and hit promote. And then once you do that, it's obviously going to give you this hop link here, which we did earlier, but we're going to go ahead and copy that. And what we can do here is inside of the description, we can say, you know, buy Ravita Pro here, and we want to add our link. Okay, now what we don't want to do is add this ugly link. Okay, it's just kind of ugly, it looks a little spammy. So what we want to do next is we want to go to a website called bit.ly, and this allows you to actually make the links a lot prettier. Okay, now I have an actual free account here, so I can make my links and I can change them up and I can customize them. But if you don't have one, that's totally okay. You don't have to have one, but really easy to do, guys. You can literally create links here. You enter your ClickBank link on the right, okay, and then it's going to allow you to create an actual link. Okay, so I'm going to hit create here at the bottom. Let me just move my face. There we go. Create link. And there we go. Okay, so you can see Ravita Pro, but the cool thing here is that I can actually change this up. There we go. I'm gonna put I'm gonna put Ravita, okay, Pro JM, okay, for Jonathan Montoya. And there we go. Okay, now I can go ahead and copy this and go back to BitChute and go ahead and copy that link here. Okay, it's the same exact link, it just looks a lot prettier. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a few call to actions here. So I'm gonna add one here, I'm gonna add one here in the middle, maybe one here. So I'm gonna add 4 calls to action, okay? Because I want them to buy this product, okay? So once I add this link here, I can go ahead and do that, okay? So now, once we do that, we can go ahead and upload the video. Now, one thing you do want to do before you upload the video is you want to upload a cover here, because this is going to be like your thumbnail with like YouTube. Now, of course, you can go and make your own thumbnail and your own cover on a website like canva.com. But if you want to do this very easily, very quickly, you can literally just go to the website here, or you can go to the JV page, and we can literally just take one of the pictures that they have, right? So for example, right here, we can use this as a cover. So if you have some sort of screen capture, you know, I use snipping tool right here. So I can go to snipping tool and literally use this as a cover here, okay? So I can go ahead and do that. Or I don't want the words here, so I'm just literally gonna take this here. I'm gonna copy this and add this as a cover. All right, guys, I went ahead and uploaded this, and now the video is ready to go. I can go ahead and finish and publish the video right now. Now, guys, once you go ahead and upload the video, as you can see here, the video is being processed, but it's really cool because if you look at now, you have your review, but you have your link as well. So obviously, if you know people watch the video, they click on it, it's going to go to your actual affiliate page, right? So this is linked back to you. When people go and buy the product, then you make a sale. And obviously I showed you how to find a really good product that's trending, but more importantly has monthly reoccurring commissions. Now, guys, it's really important that you don't stop here, okay? Now, what I would do personally is I would go back and I would upload multiple videos for that same product, okay? And then let's just say you do 50 videos on that one product. It's going to be way more content, which allows, you know, gives you free traffic, which gets more people to your affiliate links, okay? So the goal here is to post as many videos as humanly possible. And the reason we're using BitChute is because it's not as competitive as YouTube. It's just a growing platform, okay? Now, the cool thing about this method is you can, you know, let's just say you have 50 videos, right? 50 videos going to that same product, right? We can have like a ton of different videos just going to that one product, but we can also do this with another product, right? Let's just say we find another trending product. We can do another 50 videos and go to a different product again. And this is how you start building wealth. This is how you start making money, because then we do this again and again and again. Now, guys, I hope you enjoyed this method on how you can find highly profitable ClickBank products with this secret website and this secret traffic source. Now, guys, if you want to learn exactly how you can build a full-time passive income business, I do have a 3-day business breakthrough challenge that's going to show you how I built a long-term sustainable 6-figure per month business in just 3 days. Now, guys, the purpose of this challenge is to show you how to build an affiliate marketing business the right way. But more importantly, it's going to show you how to quit your 9-to-5 job and what you need to do to set up your business for the future. So if you want to learn exactly how you can get started with that, I'm going to leave a link down below to my 3-day challenge. And guys, right now we've had over 11,000 people go through this challenge, and literally thousands of those students have already gotten their first commission in just the first week. Now, guys, if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Thank you so much, and God bless.